Hey everybody, good morning on this Saturday morning. It is approximately 2:30 a.m. This is the morning update, mid-morning update, early morning update. Hey everybody, what's going on? This is a 2:30 update. I know I said I was going to do one yesterday morning, but I didn't. I got busy, and Elsa's licking me because she loves me. I love her. So they have localized, updated a few spots between like Jacksonville and Paris, 6 to 8, I guess, because as of now, just like at a half an hour ago to an hour ago, Springfield reported 9 inches, and it is still coming down. We are a good 4 or 5 hours from having this pretty much start to get out of here. And let me pull it up here on my phone. You guys can get a little better look at this. I can't find it again here. Let's do this. Pretty sure I shared it. I shared a few things and they haven't been shared. So yeah, here we go. Snowfall map has been updated. If you guys are chilling at home drunk and shit, you can see what's going on. But that's our snow totals now. And about Jacksonville to Paris, Mattoon, Decatur, Springfield, Taylorville, 6 to 8 localized. It is coming down like whoa out there. So yeah. But crazy, unbelievable. But anyway, yeah. So it's going crazy. We haven't even started plowing yet. Probably won't start till we'll have to see how heavy it is in 4 and 5 o'clock. We may have to wait until 6 or so. We're just gonna have to wait and see if it's coming down this hard at like 4 and 5. There ain't no point. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. But yeah. So have a great night, everyone. The next planned update will be by myself before I go out plowing. If anything changes, I'll post an update immediately. Have a great morning and drive safe.